तो मेरी बाइक में पेट्रोल हो चुका है कम, तो चलते हैं पेट्रोल पंप। ओके, सो बाइक की टंकी हो चुकी है फुल और अब हम कहीं भी जा सकते हैं। लुक एट द क्लाउड्स एंड दैट्स व्हाट आई लाइक अबाउट बैंगलोर। You know, like it's not very sunny and it's not very cloudy, and it's always like that. In Bangalore you get this perfect combination of sunny and cloudy, and that's what I like. You know, earlier I used to feel that once the lockdown is over, people will take some time to come out of their houses. But in Bangalore specifically, what I saw, as soon as the lockdown was lifted, everyone came on the road very next day. Yeah, I could see the traffic jam. So I feel that, you know, these humans of 21st century, we are so dependent on each other that we cannot live our lives locked in our houses. So for food you have to go outside and buy vegetables. For clothes you have to go to a mall. For every single thing you have to go outside and have to do a transaction with other human being. So I feel this dependency of human beings on each other is kind of good and kind of bad. So this is kind of funny. I generally do not give money to the beggars, but today when I saw the camera was rolling and then this lady came, I gave some coins to her, even though she was not a beggar. So what I feel that, and it's not just me, I think it happens with most of the people. We all want to look kind, we all want to look generous when people are watching. Right? We all want to be the best version of ourselves, and I feel this is little bit fake. If you want to be kind, if you want to be generous, be the best version of yourself when no one is watching. भाई ये गोल गोल चक्कर है, ये चक्कर नहीं, इंसेप्शन है। गोल गोल चक्कर है, सर एंड नहीं है। दिस इज इंसेप्शन, रोड इनसाइड अ रोड। एक कर देना पानी वाला। Okay, so this road will take me to Varthur. So before coming to Bangalore, I had this misconception कि साउथ में डोसा और ये कोकोनट वाटर तो बहुत सस्ता होगा, बट आफ्टर कमिंग हियर आई रियलाइज दैट सस्ता नहीं है बॉस, यहाँ कुछ भी सस्ता नहीं है। ओरिजिनल है, लोकल है? फर्स्ट कॉपी है। कितने का दिया? वो क्या पावर बैंक है क्या? दिखाना जरा। ये कितने का?
400 रुपये पैसे देगा वो।
ट्राईपॉड भी है। ये कितने का? 900। कितना प्राइस बोला इसका? 550। हाँ यार ये मुझे ओरिजिनल नहीं लग रही है ये। हाँ नहीं बाहर तो महंगा मिलता है। देख रहा हूँ जो ये क्या है? हैंड मोनोपॉड। हाँ सेल्फी बोर्ड का। हाँ मैं समझ गया उसको। ठीक है अभी तो मैं छोड़ता हूँ, अभी नहीं लूँगा। तो जैसा कि आप लोगों ने देखा यहाँ पर हमें JBL और अदर कंपनीज के स्पीकर काफ़ी उचित दामों पर मिल रहे थे। So today I have seen a lot of beggars on the street, and I feel that this begging culture is very prevalent in India. If you go to any other parts of the world, you will not find these many beggars. And what I believe that if there is someone who is having a healthy body, all his limbs and sensory organs are working, and even though he or she is begging, I believe that that is an insult to a human body. We humans are the best species on this planet, right? And I think in this modern time, if you are having a healthy body, you can easily make enough money to have a square meal a day.